How to remove reposts on threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to remove reposts on threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the right end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to our threads app first. And as you can see on our homepage right here, I have a lot of threads that I can repost. So just for example, I want to repost this thread right here, then I just need to click on this button right here. So let's try to repost something first. Now as you can see, it has been reposted. So if you want to remove the repost, what you need to do is just click on this specific button again, then click on the remove right here in order to remove it. So let's click on it, and then as you can see, it has been removed. So there's another type of repost on threads. So another repost is if you click on this third button and you click on quote, then you type in anything and click on post, then that's what you call quote. So if you want to try to remove quote, then what you need to do is to head over to your profile. So here's your profile, and then in here you can see the quote that we have pre-quoted earlier. So if you want to delete that specific quote or repost, then just click on these three dots right here, then click on delete right here, then click on delete again, and then as you can see, content is now not available because we have removed that specific repost. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to remove reposts on threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.